What is AgTech? Presented by Nagaraju Tadakaluri. Hello and welcome to our video on What is AgTech? Agriculture is a fundamental part of human society, but it can be challenging with unpredictable weather patterns, pests, and other obstacles to overcome. That's where AgTech comes in. By leveraging technology, AgTech solutions can help farmers to make more informed decisions, optimize resource allocation, and reduce waste. In this video, we'll explore what AgTech is, how it works, and some of the ways it's transforming the agriculture industry. Agriculture is a fundamental part of human society, providing food and resources for people around the world. However, farming is not always easy, as it often involves dealing with unpredictable weather patterns, pests, and other challenges. This is where AgTech comes in. AgTech refers to the use of technology to improve agricultural productivity, sustainability, and efficiency. AgTech solutions can range from simple tools like handheld sensors and drones to more complex systems like data analytics platforms and automated farming equipment. By leveraging technology, AgTech solutions can help farmers to make more informed decisions, optimize resource allocation, and reduce waste. One of the key areas of AgTech is precision agriculture. Precision agriculture involves using data analytics tools and sensors to collect and analyze information about soil conditions, weather patterns, and other factors that can affect crop yield. This information can then be used to optimize planting patterns, irrigation schedules, and other aspects of farm management, resulting in higher yields and reduced costs. Another area of AgTech is automated farming equipment. Advances in robotics and machine learning have enabled the development of farming equipment that can operate autonomously, reducing the need for human labor and improving efficiency. For example, autonomous tractors and combines can plant and harvest crops with precision, reducing waste and increasing yields. Another key area of AgTech is agribusiness. Agribusiness refers to the business of agricultural production, including farming, processing, and distribution. AgTech solutions can help agribusinesses to optimize their operations and reduce waste, leading to increased profits and improved sustainability. For example, data analytics platforms can help agribusinesses to identify patterns and trends in consumer demand, allowing them to optimize production and reduce waste. One of the most promising areas of AgTech is vertical farming. Vertical farming involves growing crops in vertically stacked layers, using controlled environments and artificial lighting to optimize growth conditions. Vertical farming has the potential to revolutionize agriculture by enabling year-round production in urban environments, reducing the need for transportation and storage, and increasing food security. Another area of AgTech is biotechnology. Biotechnology involves the use of genetic engineering and other technologies to improve crop yields, increase resistance to pests and diseases, and improve nutritional content. Biotechnology has the potential to transform agriculture by creating crops that are more resilient, more nutritious, and more sustainable. Of course, AgTech also faces its fair share of challenges. One of the biggest challenges is the need to ensure that AgTech solutions are accessible and affordable for small-scale farmers, who may not have the resources to invest in expensive equipment and technologies. Another challenge is the need to ensure that AgTech solutions are sustainable and do not have negative impacts on the environment or public health. Despite these challenges, the potential benefits of AgTech are significant. By using technology to improve agricultural productivity, sustainability, and efficiency, AgTech solutions are transforming the way we produce and consume food, reducing waste, and increasing access to nutritious and affordable food. In conclusion, AgTech is a rapidly evolving field that is transforming the way we think about agriculture. By leveraging technology to improve productivity, sustainability, and efficiency, AgTech solutions are helping farmers to overcome the challenges of farming and producing more food with fewer resources. As technology continues to advance and new innovations emerge, the potential for AgTech to revolutionize agriculture and improve food security is truly exciting. We hope this video has given you a better understanding of what AgTech is and how it's transforming the agriculture industry. Thanks for watching.